Our second episode is about a guy with a very cute puppy. His name is Success, single, he worked in a prestigious company. He lives in an apartment in a friendly neighborhood, near the shops, transport, and especially his work. The owner of the house is very old and he decided to transfer the ownership to his son. The previous owner loves dogs but not his son, the new owner. So Success decided to find someone to adopt his dog for a meanwhile. While he is looking for another apartment to transfer that is dog-friendly, or better owning a house because he has working for the company for so many years and save enough money to buy a house. But transferring apartment and buying a house is not easy because he lives in the city. He posted on social media sites to find someone who is willing to adopt his cute puppy. He posted it on a pet lovers group. Many members of the group message him that they are willing to adopt his puppy. He chooses Martha, single, because she is very gorgeous, working in a call center, kind, and conservative. They met and Success gave the puppy to Martha, telling her to please take care of it. He asks Martha if it's okay to visit the puppy on his day off from work because he really misses it, and she says yes. Success also gives financial support to his pet. After a few months of visiting, they became couples.